Next question. If risk-free rate of return is 16%, and expected return on Reserve Bank of India share price index is 24%, with a standard deviation of 14%, how will you construct, highlight the portion, an efficient portfolio so that a return of 21% can be generated? So this is what we understand is, say the first question, how will you construct an efficient portfolio? And the second question is, find risk of that portfolio. So whatever the portfolio that you suggest, for that, say the risk is required to be calculated. I request you to do answer for the question on your own and put your answer in the chat box. So let us see that, say, how to make the computation of the answer. Investment is supposed to be made in two securities. One is a risk-free security. So investment in risk-free security and investment in Reserve Bank of India index. Let us assume that, say, the weight, this is x and this is 1 minus x. As far as the return is concerned, the return is 16 and 24. Weight into return, it is 16x, 24 minus 24x. Return of the portfolio would be 21%. That is the way we can compute the weight of x. So we understand that over here 16x plus 24 minus 24x is equal to 21. So 16 minus 24, that comes to negative 8, transfer on the opposite side, it becomes positive 8, is equal to 24 minus 21. So 3 upon 8. 0.3750. This is the way, so the weight of x is required to be calculated. So we understand like this, that risk-free security and the Reserve Bank of India share price index weight, this is 0.375. So this would be balancing figure 1 minus 0.375, that comes to 0.625. This is the way we can compute the answer of the first question. The question further says that, say, what is the standard deviation of the portfolio? Dear students, we can say that, say, the sigma p is equal to weight of Reserve Bank of India share price index into standard deviation of the Reserve Bank of India share price index. Why? Because the investment is made in two securities and one of them is RF. That is what we understand. So over here it is 0.6250 into standard deviation is provided to us as 14%. So 0.625 into 14, that comes to 8.75%. That is the way the standard deviation of the portfolio can be calculated. Okay. Now over here, friends, say the question is providing one information, that how can you construct an efficient portfolio. Now the term efficient portfolio stands for combination of the risk-free security with the best portfolio. Best portfolio means a portfolio which is having the highest Sharpe ratio. As far as this question is concerned, since no other information is given, so in that case we can make a fairly an assumption that whatever the portfolio which is given to us in the example, that is the Reserve Bank of India share price index itself is the best portfolio, and accordingly, say we provide answer for this question. This is what, say, we understand is a meaning of the technical word called efficient portfolio. So please write on a note for this. Efficient portfolio means a portfolio with combination of risk-free security with best portfolio. Full stop. A portfolio slash security having highest Sharpe ratio is considered to be best portfolio. Full stop. With paragraph write down. In this example, Reserve Bank of India share price index is the best portfolio. Full stop. Because we understand that there is no other information given to us.